says like the rise of ocean temperatures poses a threat to biodiversity. Explain in the context of marine ecosystem.
Course. Like I said before, an important problem for marine biodiversity is represented by the coral bleaching. So these coral reefs are important habitats. They are critical habitats for many marine species that are now in danger. There is also the problem of the disruption of species pattern. So the temperature is rising, and this tend to alter the migration, the breeding, and the feeding patterns for many marine species. And this affect, of course, the entire food chain and the ecosystem stability. There is also an important reduction in oxygen levels because warmer water tend to have less oxygen, and of course there is a creation of dead zones, and of course the biodiversity is in danger. And another important problem is represented by the marine pollution. Of course, this has an important impact on the ecosystem. Plastic pollution, like I've talked before, harms many marine mammals because of the entanglement and the ingestion of the plastics, and also the presence of chemical pollutants such as pesticides, heavy metals, oil spillings, and they contaminate the water and create serious problems to a lot of species. Another important issue for the marine species is represented by the nutrient runoff from the agriculture. This creates algal blooms, and as a consequence, there is a depletion of oxygen levels in the water. So also in this case, this creates a lot of dead zones. So an important loss of biodiversity. Another important issue is also represented by invasive species. They compete with the endemic species, and this disrupt